will get that changed purse and go. You hear me? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay on this fine WIGMAS day. Okay, I got bars. And I got my hot cocoa on deck in my Christmas mug because, you know, even though I'm looking hot, I still gotta stay warm. Okay, listen. I'm gonna burn my daggone mouth. We also have a Wig Bay holiday shout out today. We got our girl Bridget. Bridget says this is her favorite holiday wig because, let me read it. It gives her the confidence that she needs because she is a shy girl, and influencers like me have helped her gain confidence to wear colored wigs in public and feel happy. Listen, our girl is doing it. Listen, the pink, the hot pink, I don't even think I could rock the hot pink, Bridget, so you already a hit, sis. Now make sure y'all show our fly girl, Bridget, some love down below. Okay, because colored wigs, who? Okay, us. Now, if you want to send in your favorite holiday wig, make sure you go ahead and see my community tab. All the instructions are on there, okay? Now, as far as my unit is concerned, I'm gonna tell you out the pack, she wasn't looking like this, okay? I had to put in some work to get my unit like this. I decided to go ahead and restyle mine to give me the look that I wanted. However, she does have curls out the pack. Before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about my unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. It is their Auburn loose wave wig, and all the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. And don't worry if that price is too much for you, you can pay in full. Listen. Ho, 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 get that change purse and go. You hear me? You don't need daddy pop off of this one, okay? Get your change purse and go, sis. Ask them to send me this unit because I saw some other YouTubers trying this unit in this color, but they had it in a longer length. I wanted a shorter length because I wanted this exact style. And I felt like the curl of the unit would definitely give me, like, you know, a starting point to where I wanted to go. Now, obviously out the pack, y'all saw how I was looking. I needed to take a little breather for a second, but I do feel like if I would have just brushed the curls out right then and there, I could have got a little bit closer to what this was without having to go in and, you know, restyle the unit. Because I wanted to wash the unit to see if the curls would come back. They don't really come back as bouncy as they were out the pack. However, there is some curl in the unit after you do wash it, but I just went on and blow dried mine straight and then put the curls back into the unit the way that I wanted them to be. So that's how we're sitting now. I did chop some of my length off because the 14-inch was a little bit longer on me and I wanted more of, like, you know, a shoulder length bob. So a 12-inch can definitely give you the same look that I got right now. If you want to cut it, you can do exactly what I did. Bring it to the front, chop it where you want to chop it, okay? You don't got to do any type of layers. Nope, nope, no. I know it may be a lot of work for some people, but in all honesty, for me, it's not really a lot of work. All I did was curl the unit. If you know how to work one of these joints, okay, bing bong. If you know how to work one of these, okay, you can, is this on? About to burn my fingertips off, Lord. If you know how to put curls in your hair with a flat iron or a curling iron or whatever, a wand curler, you can do this style. You will have some short hairs on the top of the lace front, so just be mindful of that. If you decide to make it like a hard part in this unit, you may need to go on with your wax stick and things like that to get those short pieces under control, but as far as anything else is concerned, the hair is pretty much self-explanatory. It's a silky, loose wave texture, okay? Nothing crazy. It's not really texturized, but it does have a thickness to it that I do appreciate because it allows my curls to hold a little bit longer. I'm liking how this is looking. What do y'all think about this now? This looks good, y'all. Bridget, sis, would you try this color? Huh? Would you try this color? Because I'm feeling like you could. Okay, I think this is a cute look on me. Okay, I was a little worried about the, you know, the color in the front because it is a little bit lighter than the Auburn color. And I do feel like washing my unit kind of stripped the color a little bit, but I'm actually still liking how it's looking. I mean, like, do y'all like it? Did I do something? Did I do a little something with this one? I was thinking I was gonna cut it a little bit shorter, but then I was like, I don't wanna mess it up. I don't wanna mess, ooh. That could actually be a little look with the bob, but I would have to take this unit off to cut it in the bob. I wouldn't be able to cut it on my head into the bob that I want because it would make it look all janky in the back, and I don't want that. And I would probably use a razor too, so you know. I think the color is cute, I think the cut is cute, I think the curl is cute, I think I'm cute. Y'all know I ain't got no sense, okay? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.